How you doing? James Sparky here at JTech, and I'm going to go over a little bit of either GMA or MIG. It's called both things. GMA is gas metal arc welding, or MIG, which is metal inert gas welding. So this is our powered MIG, Lincoln electric machine. Let's start with the gas. Right here, this is argon. Go straight argon, or you can do a 75-25 of another inert gas with normal oxygen. But you need an inert gas in order to do this welding. And also, you need a spool of metal. So, this one here, it's hundreds of linear feet of metal spooled in through, run through a little feeder that's electrically controlled. That'll push the wire out through a tube right here. And there's a little tube that sits right up on this. This is where your gas comes in, to the bottom of your sheen. Pump it in, pumps in from there. Now this tube has two different tubes. The hose has two different tubes in it. There's an outer hose where your inert gas is feeding through, and an inner tube where your metal wire is running through. And on most machines, as this one does, it'll show you a different gauge, or it has a different chart on it. So it lists all your different thicknesses of wire, and then what type of actual style gas you're going to go. And also on this one here, you have, it is a DCP or a DCN, DC positive or DC negative. We're always, for the most part, we're going to run this one, especially with this machine, it's always going to be on the DC positive. So you'll have your stinger gun right here, which again, your metal wire feeds through from your spool out through the center of your tip, a little on the toasty side. We've been doing a little bit of welding here. So it'll come out through there. And as you see the little holes there, that's where your argon's coming through. So your argon's going to come in through, and it's going to fill in this, the cup. This is what they call this, the cup. And what that does, the inert gas right there blows out through here while you're creating the arc with the metal. And it's getting rid of all your impurities, creating, which is a no slag weld. So we're getting rid of all the oxygen, so you're creating your little ball of gas right there for your inert gas. The shielding gas right there will create a barrier to keep away the impurities, creating a slag-free weld. So all this one does is just has the trigger. As you pull the trigger, the gas and the wire is coming out. We're going to leave this. We're going to leave it off for now. For right now, we don't want to use up any excess wire. There are some different settings over on the front. Obviously on the machines, you're going to have your positive and your negative. Or I'm sorry, your on and off. My apologies. Your positive and negative are coming out of your wiring right here. You'll have your different voltage settings. This voltage setting will correspond with your voltages right up on up on your chart that's in here. Plus you also have, so this is your wire feet per second gauge. Usually you're on this one here, you're going to want to set it between 300 and 350. And usually on this, you're going to go anywhere from D to F for the size of the spool and the material that we're using for welding. It's a very versatile machine. You can weld any direction. You can weld overhead, weld sideways, weld over your back and your shoulder if you're that good. Extremely versatile. Depending upon material that you're using on your spool, it's also very versatile on the type of metal you can weld, whether it's just going to be your steel. It's very good for aluminum, but a lot of it also is just going to be your quick tack welding, or a quick little weld. But it is extremely versatile, extremely good, especially in the home, in your home garage, in your home shop, because of how versatile it is. So you also have your, just like all welders know, you're going to have your negative cable. And then this would be your positive cable. On your negative cable, unlike in stick welding where you can put it at the bottom of your skyscraper and weld at the top and it'll still work, this you're going to want to have as close to the metal as possible, or the weld point as possible. But of course, whatever you're welding, make sure you get a nice, good, clean finish. You're going to take a grinder to it and grind it off. The table here is fairly good. So anyway, this is how we would do it. Hook it up to the table. And we go from there. get a little bit of protective equipment. Obviously, you want gloves, face shield with the dimming lenses, and then we'll come back and we can do a real quick little arc weld in a second. Alright, so we're going to throw a little bead right here. We're going to put this plate on. Basically, all I got to do is turn the machine on, and I'm pretty much ready. We already got the gas going. So I'm going to dip my hood, got my ready. First, I'm going to just pack this on real quick, and then I'll let it be. As you see, all I did is join these two pieces of metal together. See, it is still nice and going red hot, but pretty good to it. I'm pushing on it, pulling on it, not like you're gonna move it, so I think that's a pretty good weld. But all I was doing is maintaining a little bit of going to C and hitting at the top, come back down with a slight little pause between the two. All I had to do is pull the trigger, and then the metal feeder fed out, the gas, and I made the seal around it. Nice clean weld, those flags, that's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Have a great day.